You know what? This is not half bad. It ain't. Hey guys, it's Tay. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna do an attempt to do edges because, like, as y'all can see, I don't know how to do edges. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna front and act like I do, and I don't get people to do my edges for me. They just don't be done. I just do the little slick backs. So we're gonna attempt to do that. A little lazy eye going on, but we're gonna force but shit, it is what it is. For the most part, my hair is already slick, But now originally it's funny because I had a side part going on, but what the fuck is that? I guess I no longer have a side part going on, but we're just gonna get straight into the video. No need to waste no more of your time. So as you can see, I'm starting to part my hair. I kind of don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so it's like, yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright, so at this point, this is as good as at this point, this is as good as this side part is going to get. So let's get started. So I got a toothbrush. It's kind of old, but we're just going to talk about that. And I got this comb that I'm probably not going to use. What I need is a rat tail comb, but I don't know where it is, so we're just going to improvise at this point. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and so I'm really not worried about this. But I'm up, I'm geeked, so I felt like it was the right time to make a video, and we're going to use, which I just purchased a few days ago, this lovely Eco Style Gel Olive Oil. Alcohol free. Max Hope 10. So what they did was they just took some and rolled it. And we just gonna combine the two. Bro, I do not know how to do edges. I don't know how y'all do this. Okay. And by the way, I don't have edges. I just thought I should throw that out there. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, maybe I should try it that way. Look. Hold on. Hold on. That's definitely not my baby hairs. At this point, first of all, try this again. I'm telling y'all, I don't got no edges. But then I seen this one tutorial, this girl, her hair was like all the way down here, and I know them ain't her edges. Your edges ain't that long, they're edges. It's the edge of your hair. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just do it. We're just gonna make this a little fast track video, and I'm gonna just let y'all see the results because I'm sick of this right now. Boom. And these are the finishing results. So, conclusion, I don't know how to do edges, but we gonna try something else. I'm gonna try to do like without any help or anything. I'm just doing them like how I feel they should be done, which I know I just said I was gonna do, but I'm gonna do it for real. Before we do that, we're gonna try with another way, because it's like this way that like, it's like, I don't know, they're like, it's kind of like waves. So we're gonna try that, and then we're gonna do the other one. You know what? This is not half bad. It ain't. I feel like, I don't know. This is, y'all cannot, this is not half bad at all. Look at this. Look, I'm gonna show you. Let me do it right and take a picture. This ain't half bad. It's really not. For somebody that don't know how to do edges at all, we not gonna talk about that part. But this is like, it's next level. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of messed it up because it was better than this. It was better than this. But that's good. It's real good. And now that was a little wavy thing. Now I'm just doing how I do it. So I waited about maybe 30 seconds, probably less. I'm impatient. I'm like the most patient person ever. But all right, let's see how these bad boys look. And y'all, I really like this. I just got it. And I got another one. I feel like I need to get one for now and then one for like winter time. I got red. Probably should have got blue, but the blue ones weren't cute, so I just got red. It goes with fall and winter, with Christmas, like, but whatever. Ready, unveil. This is how I do my little edges. That's how I do my little edges. Nothing special. Nothing special at all. Told y'all I ain't got no edges, first of all. So don't get mad if this video ain't go how you planned it. Because first of all, it say attempt. I'm still thinking of a caption, but I don't think I'm gonna put that. But anyways, if you look at it, you know it's an attempt. So one day I'm gonna learn how to do edges, and I'm gonna be fine, and I'm gonna be doing edge tutorials for y'all all the time. Well, the story, this is actually good for edges and just to slick your hair back, you know, on the go or not on the go. It is good. It's just me. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I don't have the time for it. I don't have time for this. Like, hair is not, it's not out of necessity to me. Not saying that I don't want it, but it's not important to me. My hair matters because, like, so many hairstyles, so many things you could do with your hair, put a hat on or whatever the case is. So that doesn't really bother me, just as long as the rest of my body and my appearance is okay. first of all, I just want to apologize that this video did not come out as planned. I thought it was going to go better. I think I did pretty good for someone that doesn't know, never probably will know how to do edges. I think I did pretty good. But if you enjoyed watching me humiliate myself, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that bell button or whatever. I'll leave a link below of what I used, which wasn't much. But yeah, see you guys.